Hi there, welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Age Check widget so you can make sure only the right audience can access your store. This widget helps you comply with age-restricted product regulations, keep your store secure, and build customer trust. Let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Age Check widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets, select the Age Check. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Growth Widgets. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets. Age Check. Here you can customize all settings. Heading: this is for internal reference, so don't modify it unless you want to risk visual issues. Example: Age Check. Background image: upload your own image for a custom background. Verification type: choose how you want customers to verify their age, birth date, and yes or no. Birth date layout type: decide how you want the birth date input to appear. Horizontal: the birth date fields, day, month, year, are arranged side by side in a row. Vertical: the birth date fields, day, month, year, are arranged in a vertical stack. Yes text: customize the text for the age verification confirmation. Example: yes, I'm 18 or older. No text: personalize the text for age denial. Example: no, I'm not. Valid age: select the minimum valid age. Example: 18. Logo: upload a logo to make your widget more brand-centric. Logo width: adjust the logo size for your design. Example: set it to 100 pixels for a clean look. Title: add a custom title to the Age Check prompt. Example: Age Check. Verify text: customize the verification message. Example: please verify your age to continue. Verify error text: add a custom error message if age verification fails. Example: you are too young to view this website. Verify birth date error text: if the birth date is missing or invalid, show this error. Example: please verify your birth date. Button text: customize the button that users click to verify their age. Example: enter. Color schemes: match the widget to your store's theme with light background, primary background, secondary background, dark background. Custom: create your own palette for full control. And that's it. Your Age Check widget is now set up. By customizing it, you'll make sure your store is compliant, protect minors from restricted content, and give shoppers a seamless browsing experience. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with Debutify Theme.